The largest dating app for LGBT people in the world, Grindr, is being sued for allegedly disclosing private information to outside parties, including an individual's HIV status. The allegation was filed in London's High Court and states that covert tracking technology was used to unlawfully share extremely private information with advertisers. More than 650 claims and thousands of UK users were impacted, according to legal firm Austen Hayes. According to Grindr, it will respond vigorously to the assertion. Grindr claimed that the assertion appears to be based on a mischaracterization of practices from more than 4 years ago, and that the firm takes privacy extremely seriously. According to Austen Hayes, claimants may be awarded hundreds of pounds in damages if their case is successful. The law company seeks to recover more than £100,000 in total, according to the claim form that was filed with the High Court. The plaintiffs experienced significant distress over their highly sensitive and private information being shared without their consent, according to Chaya Hanumanji of Austen Hayes, the lead attorney on the case. Those whose data has been compromised should receive compensation from Grindr as a courtesy to the LGBTQ+ community, she stated. 13 million people use the dating app each month, and a May 2023 external analysis from Ofcom estimated that 924,000 people in the UK used it. In addition, users spent an average of 6 hours and 49 minutes using it each month, making it the most engaged dating app out there. Exchanging private information. The allegation is that the business violated UK data privacy rules by disclosing private information to outside parties for profit. It claims to have contained data on users' sexual orientation and ethnicity. Although the data was also shared between May 25, 2018, and April 7, 2020, the allegation primarily states that it happened before April 3, 2018. It lists Optimize and Lockalytics, two data analytics organizations, as third parties with access to the private information. On the other hand, it claims that an infinite number of outside companies customize the data to show users of Grindr with relevant ads. Furthermore, it is asserted that businesses might have kept hold of some of the shared data for internal use. 2018 saw the revelation that Grindr had been giving Optimize and Lockalytics access to user data, including their HIV status. These businesses received payment to observe user behavior on the app in order to make improvements. Grindr justified the practice at the time, claiming that it followed industry norms, although it later stopped exchanging HIV data with those businesses. According to the company, it has never sold any advertisers the data. Authorities in Norway penalized the corporation £5.5 million in 2021 for violating the EU's General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). It was discovered to have given user data to unaffiliated businesses for advertising purposes without obtaining express consent. The UK data watchdog chastised Grindr externally in 2022 for its data protection policies. According to an Information Commissioner's Office ruling, the business did not provide its UK data subjects with effective and transparent privacy information in relation to the processing of their personal data. Optimize and Lockalytics have been approached by the BBC for comments.